Hi, today we're going to learn what is the nesting of conditions, and we can say that the nesting of conditions is when you have a condition inside another condition. This is a condition inside another condition. So what happens here is that the purpose of this function is the one of giving us the least number inside the least number of three given numbers. And here we have, for example, that if a number if the number a is bigger the least of no a is smaller than number b, then what we are going to do is to evaluate number a but with number c, so that if number c is bigger than number a, then we're going to give back a. And if this is true, if this is not true, then give c. So what we are doing this is that by first evaluating a and b, we discard either a or b. In the other condition, we have that if b is less than c, for example, as if a is not smaller than b, then what it does is that it eliminates a as a possible answer, and then it evaluates b and c, and depending on what happens and which one is smaller, then we're going to be given then the program is going to return either b or c. And this is what mainly happens, is that it evaluates each number by first eliminating the first number, right? So it either eliminates a or b, and then you only keep one of those, and then it evaluates the conditions with c and b, right? So this is what mainly happens. And the problem with this is that it can sometimes get confusing, the spaces when to close these. This if corresponds to this else, and this if corresponds to this else, this if corresponds to this else. So that's what mainly happens. I'm going to put random numbers so that you're able to see it. I'm going to open terminal, and I'm going to call this function. So now we're going to be able to see that, as we can see, 3 is the least number of 3, 7, and 4. And so we have now been able to see that it's important to know or to know how to close a condition well, like which if corresponds to which else, because if not, it can really get confusing while programming or even debugging. So this is everything for this video, and I hope you've liked it.